The bell worked for April 14th. We're going to evaluate. Now we know anything to the 0 power is 1. So I would suggest we don't bother. The third root of a negative number. 3 is an odd number, so we're going to keep the negative sign. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, so negative 2. So we're going to say negative 2 times... Okay, here's where I wish I had a little more space. So let's see. I'll come down here, and I'll say negative 2 again out in front. And then inside, I have negative 2 to the negative 2, and minus negative 2 to the negative 3. Well, what is a negative exponent? Well, I'm going to switch where they are. So I still have a negative... Oops, let's see here. I guess I better just write it again like that. Negative 2, and I'm going to say 1 over negative 2 to the second power. Negative sign goes away now that I moved it down. 1 over negative 2 to the third. Negative sign goes away now that I moved it. And then you can carry on from there. At the Mardi Gras ball, the guests roistered and rollicked until the wee hours. If the ratio of roisterers to rollickers, I don't know how to distinguish between, I guess I'll say roister has a T in it and rollicker has an L in it, so I don't know. That's the best I can do. Probably not. Was 7 to 5. 7 to 5. Roisters to rollickers. And 1,800 were in attendance. How many were rollickers? Okay, so just kidding about the T. Just kidding about that. What we really want is the sample size, which is 12. And we're interested in rollickers. So we're going to say rollickers to the total. I guess A for all. So A. And let's see, how many rollickers were there? There's 5 out of a total of 12. And then we go ahead and compare to a new fraction where you can distinguish whether you have rollickers or all. And then you can cross multiply. Expand using the distributive property. Write the answer with all exponents negative. Okay. Well, I have x to the minus 4 times x to the minus 4. That's going to be x to the minus 8 because I'm going to add 2 negative 4s. And I have y to the 4th times y to the 4th. That's y to the 8 on the bottom. But all exponents have to be negative. I'm skipping the next one, but you go ahead and do that one. All exponents are supposed to be negative, so I'm going to bring that y up to the top so it can be negative 2. And then you just go ahead and finish it. Solve for p. Okay, well, let's see. Let me multiply 1 times 9, not a negative 1, but a positive 1 times 9, plus 2. So that's 11 over 9. And oh yeah, it's negative. Plus 2 times 5 plus 1, that's 11 over 5. P is equal to negative 1/3. Well, let's see. I'm gonna add 11 over 9 to both sides. And when I do that, it seems to me I need a common denominator. Oops. I need a 9, so I'm multiplying by 3. So I have negative 3 over 9 plus 11 over 9. And that's going to be 8 over 9, right? 8 over 9. And I have 11 over 5 left over, P. How do I get rid of that 11 over 5? I multiply by 5 over 11. I don't see anything that will cancel, but you can see how to solve for P from there.